is Tuesday, September 13th, and this morning in our devotional, it says pride over pity. So let's see what God's Word says. Proverbs chapter 29, verse 23. One's pride will bring him low, but he who is lowly in spirit will obtain honor. Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse 8. The end of a matter is better than its beginning, and patience is better than pride. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 10. Pride leads to conflict. Those who take advice are wise. Proverbs chapter 11, verse 2. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with the humble is wisdom. Psalm chapter 36, verse 11. Let not the foot of pride come against me, and let not the hand of the wicked drive me away. Psalm chapter 10, verse 4. In his pride, the wicked man does not seek him. In all his thoughts, there is no room for God. Mark chapter 7, verse 20 through 22. It is what comes from inside that defiles you. For from within, out of a person's heart, comes evil thoughts, sexual immorality, theft, murder, adultery, greed, wickedness, deceit, lustful desires, envy, slander, pride, and foolishness. Isaiah chapter 2, verse 11. Human pride will be brought down, and human arrogance will be humbled. Only the Lord will be exalted on the day of judgment. And at the bottom it says, are all haughtiness and pride negative? Am I allowed to be proud of my child? To be proud of good and beautiful deeds? Or that you made the difference you prayed for, as well as who you are in Jesus, can be done with a humble heart. This proud feeling should, however, not become haughtiness at the expense of others, or create a feeling of superiority. Beware that your pride to ask for advice, or to cry, or to be wrong, doesn't steal abundant life from you. And that's a good devotional. All these devotionals are pretty good, are really good. Pride over pity. I think, just as it said, I think you can be proud of your children's accomplishments and, proud of your own accomplishments. However, do it humbly and not be like, oh, my kid's better than yours, or, don't do it don't do it being real prideful. Don't be real prideful. There is like, I've seen people that's like, hey, my kid's this and my kid's that and my kid done this and what's your kid done? I've actually seen that. I've actually heard it. But that is not how we should be. That is not being humble about things. So you can have that little bit of oh, I'm proud of you, my child, for graduating high school. some kids don't graduate high school. You know, I'm proud that you you finished and you graduated high school, or I'm proud that you decided to go to college, or I'm proud that you decided to follow Jesus. You know, that's a good pride. That's a good pride. But don't be, I guess don't be bragging about it, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Don't be bragging to people, oh, my kid done this, my kid done that, and oh, my kid's just the greatest. Because then you're putting your kid on a pedestal. And that, my friend, can turn to idolatry. You can idolize anything, person, a object, a cell phone, a TV. You can make anything an idol. So be careful. Okay. But I love you guys. Short and sweet this morning. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. And please leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. So, but I hope you all have a very, very, very blessed day. I will be posting another video, not one of my own, but one that I found very, very interesting about why the rapture would happen in the fall season. Very interesting, very informative, and I'll be posting that later today, so keep your eye open for it, because we don't know the day or hour. This explains why, but it also explains why we know the season, and the season being in the fall. Very informative, so keep your eye out for it, okay? Love you guys. Hope you have a blessed day. Bye.